Hey everybody, it's Gary Dennis with Fathom Realty. I have a wonderful house here for you in Richland County. It is 1143 Campbell Ridge Drive. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 2,200 square feet. Hey, let's go inside and check it out. Come on. Check this out. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted in a large room that you can use as a dining room or a formal living room. Right there, you're going to have your pantry. It's kind of like a little butler's area where you can get stuff out of there so that you can entertain if you had to do something in here. But let's go check out the kitchen and the rest of the house. So real quick, we have the half bath so your guests don't have to go up and down the stairs to use the bathroom. That's always a plus. You got a little closet over there. And that goes out to the garage. But then you have this wonderful kitchen. You got the granite countertops for entertaining. You got a lot of space here, space back there. You got the gas grill, microwave, covered porch, the eat-in area for breakfast eat-in. And then you have the great room or the family room, however you want to call it. The great thing about this room is it's large, it connects, it gives you that open floor plan. You have a wonderful gas fireplace. But hey, that's not the best part. These floors are wonderful. But let's go upstairs and check those out. Come on. Let me tell you, you guys are going to like this. It's also got new carpet. Not the stuff that was built in it. So there's a lot of cushion. Feels good to your feet. Then when we come up top, you take that immediate left. You're going to check these 2 bedrooms out. You got 2 wonderful bedrooms. This one right here is great for a nursery or a small office. You got a nice closet right over there. And then let's go into the other room. So coming into this room, another wonderful bedroom. Plenty of room in this room. You got a queen size bed in here. You got the desk area. Got another closet. Let's go check out the rest of it up here. All right, so you got your full bath right here. Double vanity. Shower tub combo. Right here, you got your laundry room with a closet up here. The best part about that is that means you don't have to take laundry up and down the stairs because you're living up here. This is where you do everything. Laundry stays up here. And then we got another large bedroom up front. Queen size bed, so you can see all the room for activities we can do in here. If you ever watch Step Brothers, we've got plenty of activities we can do. Get you a set of drums in here and beat all day long. All right. Big room, but hey, that's not all. Guess what we got? The master. We have the master. Let's get the master. You thought that other room had a lot of room for activities? This master is huge. It's got the cathedral type ceiling, large king size bed in here, so you can see how big it is. Plenty of room over here for your wardrobes or whatever you want. 2 windows, allows plenty of light in here. And then when you get up in the morning and you got to get ready, you can utilize your awesome bathroom. Let's check it out. So you got the double vanities in here. And then the greatest thing is you got the garden tub. Along with that garden tub, you also got a shower, standalone shower. So 2 ways. You can either relax in the tub or take that shower in the morning. And then you have this large walk-in closet. Plenty of room to hang everything you need, ready to go. So what you need to do is you need to give me a call so that we can get you a showing scheduled. Or if you're working with a realtor, contact your realtor and let them know you want to see this house. It's that simple. I'm ready for a buyer to come get this one. What do you say? As always, deuces. Love you, mean it, and keep on rocking.